Hi everyone, this is Miss Tang and I just swam with the biggest fish in the world, whale sharks. Now you can sit back and relax and enjoy, or you can take down some notes in this planning template that I've got over here or on your own piece of paper. We're going to learn all about whale sharks.
What are whale sharks? Whale sharks are the largest fish in the ocean. They are cold-blooded animals that breathe through gills. Whale sharks are sharks, not whales. This is because they filter feed and they have a spinal cord surrounded by cartilage like other sharks. They are also the biggest living shark. How big are whale sharks and what do they look like? Whale sharks are the biggest fish in the world. They are usually between 5 to 10 meters long, but can also reach up to 20 meters. This is about the length of 1 to 2 school buses. Whale sharks can weigh up to 20 tons, which is as much as 3 African elephants. They have a flat head, eyes on either side of their head, and a mouth measuring about 1 meter wide. The back and sides can be brown to grey and they can have a white belly. Whale sharks can be recognised from their white spots and vertical stripes. Every whale shark has a unique pattern of spots, much like human fingerprints. Where do whale sharks live and what is their life like? Whale sharks live in oceans, warm waters and tropical seas. They prefer surface seawater temperatures between 21 to 25 degrees Celsius. Whale sharks can be found in deep and shallow coastal waters and lagoons of coral reefs throughout the Indian Ocean. They are most commonly found at Ningaloo Reef in Australia, where there is an abundant supply of plankton. Whale sharks usually roam alone in the ocean, but will gather in groups towards areas with plenty of food. These groups are called a school of fish. Their average lifespan is 70 years, but they can live over 100 years of age. What do whale sharks eat? How do they eat? Whale sharks are sharks, which makes them the top predators of the food chain. They are carnivores and consume planktonic organisms such as krill, jellyfish, and crab larvae. Whale sharks need to ingest large quantities of plankton to survive. As filter feeders, they cruise near the surface of the water with their colossal mouths open to strain food from their shark gills. Their mouth has over 3,000 tiny teeth in 300 rows, but they do not chew or bite. Instead, their mouths have sensory cells to detect food, such as the spawning of corals at Ningaloo Reef. Do whale sharks need to be protected? According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List, whale sharks are categorized as endangered, meaning they are at a high risk of extinction in the wild. Whale sharks are a docile fish that is large in size but gentle by nature. They can be playful and curious. Although humans can swim with whale sharks without risk, the most significant threat to whale sharks are humans. The population of whale sharks are decreasing as they are hunted in parts of Asia for their meat, fins, cartilage and liver oil. They can be caught in fishing gear, injured by boat propellers and accidentally swallow plastic rubbish floating in the sea. Whale sharks are plankton eaters, which makes them essential for the overall health of the ocean. Did you know? Marine scientists are using acoustic transmitters to track whale sharks to gather more information to better protect them. How can we help? We can take action by speaking up, sharing information, and supporting conservation efforts. We can also reduce plastic we use to prevent all marine animals from accidentally swallowing rubbish. For example, we could write and share information on animals which need to be protected. We could also write persuasive texts about why we need to reduce plastic in the ocean. We could write informative texts on how to reduce plastic as well.
Time for the Miss Tang challenge. What animal will you write about? Will you write and share information about an animal that needs to be protected? Will you write a persuasive text about how we need to reduce plastic? Or are you going to write persuasive texts on why we need to reduce plastic in the ocean? Whatever you write about, I want you to make sure that you use the success criteria and make sure you have a look at what the good, great, and amazing examples look like. And my other bonus challenge is see if you can turn it into a video, just like I have, and be able to share it with everyone. All right, have fun, enjoy, write, and share your pieces of information with the world. If you'd like to learn how I wrote this informative text about whale sharks, you can watch these videos over here. And if you'd like to learn how to write persuasive pieces of writing, then you can watch this playlist over here. Enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!